Hey guys, it's Zora. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this Instagram fall makeup look. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm starting out with the Olay Regenerist whip, and I've been loving using this underneath my makeup. It acts as a moisturizer and primer 2-in-1, so it's really great, especially if you don't want a ton of product on your face. And then I go ahead and use my Huda Beauty foundation on top. The shade that I'm using is the shade Cheesecake. So I'm just using a brush and kind of patting, I guess, and wiping at the same time all over my face. This brush I'm using is by the brand Lashylicious, and I actually really enjoyed it. Usually I find that I have to go in with a beauty blender after because of the brush strokes, but this one was totally great. It blended really well. And now I'm just going in with concealer. This is the Overachiever by Huda Beauty. She just came out with it, I believe, last week, and I actually am obsessed with it. I'm such a concealer junkie, and this is absolutely like my favorite one that I've tried so far. It's so unique, and I love the tip of it because it's so cooling and depuffing on the eyes. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. And now I'm just setting the concealer with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread. I'm not going to set the rest of my face where I put foundation because the foundation I used is super drying and matte already, so it doesn't need to be set. If you have a really oily face, then go ahead and set it. And you can also bake if you want. I personally don't like to bake, so I'm going to skip that. And then I just go in for contour. I'm using the Anastasia powder contour kit. So just going in where my cheekbones are, my jawline, and a little bit on my nose as well. Now I'm going to use the Sultry palette by Anastasia, and oh my god, you guys, this is honestly like my favorite palette right now. I love Anastasia shadows. They're my favorite. Despite the fallout, I love them so much. They're so buttery and always super pigmented and blend so well. So if you haven't tried her shadows, you have to check them out. So I started off by using the shade Birch all over my crease and going all the way inside as well. And then I used the shade Slate to deepen that area up, but keeping it kind of on the outer edge. Now I'm going in with the shade Dystopian on the outer edge as well, and just deepening it up a little bit more, but making sure to not go in too far in because we don't want to close the eye up. So just concentrate it on the ends of your eyes. And I like to drag it out because I have rounder eyes, so I'm going to elongate them a little bit. So now I'm using a flat shader brush to use the shade Fresh on the lid, more so on the inner 2/3 of the eye, and this is just going to really open them up. And then I go back in with the shade Dystopian underneath as well. So this is going to really deepen the look up and tie it all together. And then I also took it on my upper lash line as well, just because it's going to help blend the lashes better. So I'm using these lashes by the brand Lashylicious. They're so pretty. I will link them down below. And then I'm going in with this bronzer by Estee Lauder just to bronze up my face a little bit more. I really wanted the whole look to be very tan and bronzy and just like a golden glow. So that's what we're doing for the skin. And then I'm going in with the Mauve Me blush by NYX. I love blush, so I'm just packing that on. And then I did highlight by Joiye Cosmetics. These are the strobe drops. And I'm so sorry, I didn't realize my camera stopped recording, but I just blended the highlight and added this lipstick. This is the shade Ajia by Joiye Cosmetics. And that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye!